Duh! Nakita mo ba yung post? I said, I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like, this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah, I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there.
Day Ellen, ikaw na ang pulutan diri. Day Ellen, ikaw ang pulutan diri.